In 2010, on the high development stage of desalination industry, a company named Zhuhai Wangyang Water Treatment Equipment Company Limited, conveying a young man's dream, was launched quietly. Zhuhai Wangyang Water Treatment Equipment Company Limited, which locates in the beautiful seaside city Zhuhai, is a high-tech enterprise integration of scientific research, new product development, production, sales and installation. Depending on strict quality control, the company has obtained the ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certificate and Inspection Certificate of China Classification Society (CCS). In 2012, the company signs a long-term supply contract with a shipyard in Fujian without any complaint received in 2 years, which makes it widely acknowledged by society. In 2013, the company becomes one of the suppliers of China Petroleum and Petrochemical, then providing 2 sets of 40 tons per day seawater desalination equipment for Xinjiang oil field. In 2014, the company becomes a supplier of 23rd MCC of Minmetals and 13 MCC of Minmetals, and provides 4 sets of 300 tons per day seawater desalination equipment for 23rd MCC of Minmetals, provides 6 sets of 200 tons per day seawater desalination equipment for 13 MCC of Minmetals in Maldives project. In 2015, the company provides 3 sets of 500 tons per day seawater desalination equipment for island tourism project. On the same time, the Dutch Caribbean's requirement for 2 sets of 300 tons per day seawater desalination equipment is also met successfully. In total, almost 30 sets of equipment have been provided for seaside tourism. In 2016, the company will continue fighting for the future. The company is specialized in equipment development and production of seawater desalination, brackish water desalination, reclaimed water recycling system, medical hyper-pure water, boiler feed water, electroplating metallurgy, and so on. Through unremitting efforts, the market of enterprise extends from Pearl River Delta to the coastal region of China and Xinjiang, Vietnam, Singapore, Malaysia, Maldives, Indonesia, Brazil, Caribbean, etc. A time will come to ride the wind and cleave the waves. The company will set their cloud white sail and cross the sea which waves. The company always persists the belief that providing the best product and water for custom, straightforward to embrace a bright future.